Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Sony interchangeable lens vlog camera ZV-E10 made for vlogging. Most of the creators are choosing this camera for creating videos on YouTube and other social media. It just arrived and I can say I am so excited. This will be my future camera to make videos on YouTube. As everyone knows, I am a YouTuber. Now, before I open this packet, let's talk about the key points for the camera. Design it for easy selfie and vlog shooting, direct access to control buttons, create HDR movies, time-lapse movies, and 4K videos with oversampling and vivid colors. For greater detail, and you can edit movies via smartphone. Setting up live streaming, fast, precise autofocus, real-time tracking makes focusing a breeze, and refined transition when changing focus. Precision focused transitions for seamless product reviews, improved image stabilization and editing functions, improved smooth skin appearance with a natural skin tones, a well-lit subject wherever you go, easy audio monitoring with a greater sound quality and clear recording even outdoors, vertical shooting without complicated settings, transfer to smartphone for quick sharing, and it is compatible with iMovie and Final Cut Pro X. It handles long shooting session without worrying about the battery, more than 120 minutes, or use the AC power for longer shots, or you can use your power bank. And at last, let's open to see what we have inside the packet and see how it works. Seal it, let's open. That is a big moment for me. Sony, okay, 1 year extended warranty. Oh, so many manuals. If you want to read them, well, just do that. But you can stay with me and find out all about this product. Nothing else at the box. Okay, now before opening the camera, let's see what we have. We have this cable. It is for the power adapter. It says Sony here, 5 volt, 1.6 amp, 7.5 watt. The battery, lithium battery, NPFW50, 7.2 volt, 7.3 watt hours, 1020 milliampere hours. If you want, you can buy a second battery or you can connect a power bank. This is the windscreen for the microphone. UK plug. I will use the Euro. And we have Type A to Type C for charging your battery at the camera. The cable, it is about 40 centimeter. Connect that here. And total we have about 80 centimeter. Okay. And this is the shoulder strap. Okay, now let's move on at the camera. Wow, there it is. Beautiful black mat around, I like that. The grip, you can hold it just like that. Wow, definitely it looks great. I like it. And here we have the microphone, the windshield goes here, slide and it locks, or you can just remove if you don't want. You can install an external microphone. I will show you on my next video. Let's see the buttons. We have the on-off switch, start and stop record, the still movie S and Q button, S1 button here, focus unfocus with a button, wheel here, left and right, menu button, FN, control wheel, right left button, down up, center button, play, delete, and of course we have the adjustable display, adjusting how you want. You can even close and protect your display. I like it. I like these adjustments. Definitely it will be very helpful when I'm shooting. Here you can install the shoulder strap. And here you can connect an external microphone. Here we have the Type-C connection, HDMI output, and you can connect headphones, 3.5mm headphone jack. I like this grip here, it's very soft. Definitely you can hold it very well. The cap, it has a large format image CMOS sensor for professional quality images, 24.2 megapixel APS-C type XMOR. You can cover that. This is 3.5 to 5.6 / 16 to 50. Optical steady shot. Power zoom. Pressing this button you can unlock the lens. Just rotate and unlock. And the sensor it is inside, and again just rotate and it locks. Very easy to do that. Now I think it's time to install the battery. Battery goes here, unlock. Press and it locks. It has this purple switch. We need to give a charge for the first time. Type-C connection here. It has this orange LED light, that means it's charging. Now let's wait until it's fully charged and turn it on. Now I can see fully charged after 2 hours. I think the time is very good. Let's unplug that. Turn it on. And of course we can choose the language. We need English for me. Set area, date and time. Enter. Okay. Daylight saving off, daytime. Ten, 11, 22, 18, date format, day, month, year, okay, enter. Imaging edge, go here for available application, okay. Oop, sorry about that. And it is on. No card. Now let's install the card. Switch it off. Okay. SD card. Goes here near the battery. Press and it locks. And now let's switch it on. And when I'm pressing the record button, we can see here is flashing this red LED light. And at the front we have another red LED light. Manual control. Sony ZV-E10. That was the unboxing and the first look. I like the design, the manufacturer of the camera, it gives you the idea that it will last in a long time of use. I like the size, it's the right one for me. Definitely it doesn't have the right size of battery. Sony has some settings to make the battery last longer when used, but in the end that's not going to happen. The good thing is you can connect a power bank and use the camera simultaneously as it's charging. I will use this camera for making videos on YouTube. I don't care about the photos. Most of the use is for product reviews. Anyone that follows my channel knows is for unboxing, review and testing of a product. For sure I need more time to learn how to use this camera. Until now all my videos was with smartphones, mostly with Samsung devices. I bought this camera for about 850 euros with the wireless microphone and the Sony gimbal. I think the price is very good, included and these two accessories. By the way, on my next videos I will show you how you can use the wireless microphone from Sony and the Sony gimbal. And with that saying, my viewers, until my next video, please subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.